Mi chiamo Santina e faccio i lolli che usa per sono queste canne.
Santina is 90 years old and lives near Modica in Sicily. First she makes the sauce. She slices an onion and fries it in olive oil with pieces of pork. She adds a generous tablespoon of her homemade tomato paste called stratu in Sicily. And then makes a sauce with it by adding some water. This has to simmer gently for at least an hour. To make the pasta, Santina uses 600 grams of durum wheat semolina flour and 6 eggs. She uses her fingertips to scramble the eggs before mixing them into the flour. She makes a dough and then kneads it until it is smooth. This combination of semolina and egg makes a firm dough. Santina has a small rolling pin, so she divides the dough into smaller pieces to roll them out into pasta sheets. She cuts each into inch-wide strips. Santina uses wheat stalks called usa locally. She takes a pasta strip and wraps it around the stalk twice before snapping the remaining pasta off. She presses the end so the tube does not unravel. Then Santina repeats this down the length of the stalk. She can fit 7 or 8 rolls on a stick. She gently rolls the pasta over a patina, which originally was a comb in a weaving loom. They are similar to lumacelli pasta made in Urbino province, nearly 1,000 kilometers north, but the dough is completely different. Santina repeats this process until she has used all the dough. She boils the pasta in plenty of salted water. Once strained, Santina stirs in the tomato sauce. The pork is served as a main course.
I lolli sono pronti, le potete mangiare.
Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.